Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa zurriyatihi ajma'een, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening. This surah is Makki and comprises of 7 ayat. Surah Al-Fatiha has many figures in the Holy Quran. Number 1, the Holy Quran begins with it, and the prescribed prayers begins with it, and in the order of revelation, this is the first surah which was revealed to the Prophet ﷺ in its complete form. Some verses of Surah Alaq, Surah Muzammil, Surah Mudassir have no doubt been revealed earlier, but this is the first surah which was revealed to the Prophet ﷺ in a complete form. Certain companions of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ have reported that this is the first surah which was revealed. And Mufti Muhammad Shafi rahimahullah stated that most probably they had mean no surah had been revealed in a complete form before this. And this surah gives a special instruction to the man who recites the Quran that he should approach this book with a mind clean of all his previous thoughts and opinions, seeking nothing but the truth and the right path, and pray to Allah for being guided in the right path. There is a hadith in Sunan Tirmidhi about the greatness of Surah Al-Fatiha, narrated by Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, neither the Torah nor the Zabur and Injil have anything to compare with it, and no other surah of the Quran itself can compare with it. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said that Surah Al-Fatiha is the cure of all kinds of illness. Imam Qurtubi rahimahullah stated that Surah Al-Fatiha has been also named in the collection of ahadith Surah Al-Shifa, the cure. So if someone decided for any illness, he will get shifa inshallah. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.